Welcome to another tutorial of your HTML series. Alright there guys, so in a previous video we did a preview of what we had studied in the first videos. Now today we are going to look at a new element in HTML, and that's the image element. The image element in HTML are written using the image tags. Unlike other type of elements we previously looked at, like the heading and the paragraph, which have both the opening and the closing tag, in this type we are going to see that for the image element it's a self-closing tag. So I can go on and write for you here. If you want to write our image element, we write img, that stands for image, and it is a self-closing. Another special thing about the image element is that it passes in two attributes. The first attribute is the source, which is written as src, standing for the source. And in this source, we are giving the relative path to the image we want to display in our browser. Then another attribute it passes in is the alternative attribute, which is written with alt. Okay. So we can save this. When we run this thing in our browser, you'll see now nothing is displayed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to our LevBitz website and grab one image from there. So I'm going to grab this image, okay? But first, the first method I'm going to show you is whereby I'm going to grab that image directly from the internet without saving it in my folder. So I'll go here, then I copy image address, then I'll go back in my text editor. Here inside the source attribute, I'm going to copy that path and I save it. So when I go back in my browser and I try to refresh the page, you will see the image will come. So now I want to show you, in case we don't find this image, for example, I can go on and delete some of the content here. Then I save this. When I go back in the browser, refresh it, you will see that the image is not displayed. So what I can do, I can go in this alternative attribute and write here, this was an image. You see now, this was an image. Another method which is more secure is you have to download this image directly and put it into your folder, because linking images from online, the one who uploaded the image can remove that image. So after removing and you already linked that image into your website, the image will not be displayed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and download this image. So I'm going to say save image. Okay. I'm going to go in our documents folder. Okay. I'm going to save this image. So now this is the image. Okay. So what I'm going to do, instead of linking it from online, I'm going to say logo dot svg. Save that. Now you see again the image will come up. But now you can see very well that this image is quite bigger. So in HTML we can alter the size of the image by passing in another attribute. Here I can go on and say width. Okay, then I can say maybe I can say like 200 pixels. Save that. When I refresh the page, now you can see the image is becoming smaller. So that's how you can handle images in HTML. Alright guys, see you in the next video.